Good morning. So the same topic, matrices after addition and subtraction. Now today we will see how the multiplication of matrices takes place. So for multiplication of the matrices, let A, B be two matrices A is matrix of order m into n and B is a matrix, its order is n into p. So A is matrix Aij of order m into n and B is a matrix whose order is n into p. So when we multiply, that is the product AB, this will equal to m into n into B, J and K order n. This is m into n, this is n into p. So when we will multiply these two matrices, so this will give another matrix, that is CIK, and its order will be m into p. So in this way the product of matrices A and B is found out. So let me take an example. Suppose A is A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So I take matrix B as B11, B12, B21, B22. So I have taken two matrices A and B. Both are of order 2 by 2. Now in case if I had to add or subtract them, then point-wise elements they were added. But in this case, what we do, the rule, according to rule of matrix multiplication, what we do, we take the elements lying on this row first and elements lying on the column, first column. Here first column, here first row. So this matrix C will of type, I will multiply this element with this element. Mean multiplication is carried into row by column. So the first element is A11. I will multiply this element with this B11 plus this next element, that is A12. This will be multiplied by this element B21. So I will write A12 into B21. So this is the first column elements. Again this row is to be multiplied by elements lying on column second. So I will have this A11 multiplied by A11 B12 plus this element multiplied by this element, that is A12 multiplied by B22. So after first row multiplication, let us take this R2. So this elements of R2 are to be multiplied by column first, and then elements of this row R2 is to be multiplied by column C2. So first this A21 is to be multiplied by B11, then plus this element A22 is to be multiplied by B21. Then the same row R2, its element are to be multiplied by this element A21 is to be multiplied B12, and plus this element of row R2 is to be multiplied by element B22 lying in second row. This is C1, this is C2. So this next element will be A22 B22. So in this case, this was a 2 by 2 matrix, this was again 2 by 2 matrix, and this matrix which has been obtained by multiplication, this is again a matrix. This is R1, this is R2, this is C1, and this is C2. Again, this is of the same order. So in this way, we multiply the elements by the row into column. So this is the rule. Whenever we have to multiply the two matrices, we multiply the elements which are lying in the row, and then the elements which are lying on the column. So here we have to note one thing, that is AB is possible only if number of columns in matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B. So this is to be noted. We can multiply the two matrices only if number of columns in A must equal to number of rows in matrix B. Otherwise, if this condition is not satisfied, we cannot multiply A B. This is not possible. And in this case, if number of columns in A is not equal to number of rows in matrix B. So this is the condition. If this is the condition, AB is not possible or AB is not defined. So for AB to be defined, this condition should be satisfied. In this case, we can multiply. In this case, we cannot multiply. So after this, some exercise questions from exercise 3.2. So questions are given here. Exercise 3.2. So I am taking the questions which are the questions. For example, here is a question given. A matrix is given. Its elements are 2, 4, 3, 2, and element this matrix B, it is given as 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So these two matrices are given same order, they are having 2 by 2. So I have to find the value of AB, that is product of A and B. So this will equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, matrix A, elements of matrix A, and the elements of matrix B. So if I have to multiply them using the rule, so this row R1 and this column C1, elements are to be multiplied. So this is 2 multiplied by 1, it will give 2 into 1 plus, then this element to be multiplied by this element 4 into minus 2. Then the same row R1 is to be multiplied by the elements of column C2, that is 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. So these are the row first elements. Then for row second, this R2 is to be multiplied by column C1 elements. So 3 into 1 plus 2 minus 2. Then R2 elements, they are to be multiplied by column C2 elements. So that is 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. So this will equal to 2 minus 8, here 3 minus 4, 6, 20, 9 here, 10 here. So this matrix will equal to 8 minus 2 minus 6, 20 plus 6, 26, 3 here minus 1 and 19 here. So this matrix is again a matrix of 2 by 2. So in this way, multiplication of two matrices of order 2 by 2 are multiplied. So another question. It is question number 3rd. Compute first part. It is matrix given as A, B, minus B, A. This is first matrix. The second matrix is A minus B, B and A. So how will we multiply these two matrices in the same way as done in the previous question? So again 2 by 2 matrix, both are of same order. So their product will be, first R1 is to be taken and C1 is to be taken. R1 and C1. So elements of R1 and C1, they are to be taken. So this A is to be multiplied by A. So it will be A into A square. Then this element on R1, B into B plus B square. So same row and column second I will have to take. So A into minus B plus B multiplied by A. So it will be BA. Now this row second is to be taken, minus B multiplied by A. So this will be minus BA. Then A multiplied by B plus AB. Again this row R2, its elements are to be multiplied by the elements on C2. So this is minus B multiplied by minus B. So this will give B square plus this A multiplied by A, it will give A square. So this will equal to A square plus B square. AB positive, AB negative can cancel. So 0 will be here. BA and AB here, they will cancel. So B square, A square, or this can be written as A square plus B square. 0 here, 0 here, A square plus B square. And this is the product of the two matrices which were given. So there are more questions on multiplication. So I can write the next question. The another part, 3, 2, it is 2, 1. 3, 2, minus 1, 1. First matrix, elements. Then the second matrix is 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. So these are the two matrices to be multiplied. Here we have to see, it is the first matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns, it is 3 by 2, and this matrix 2 rows and 3 columns. So here number of columns in first matrix, they are equal to number of rows in second column, in second matrix. So that means number of columns in first, they are equal to number of rows in second matrix. So in this case their product can be possible. So So for multiplication, first row R1 is to be taken. This row elements on this row, they are to be multiplied by elements on first column. So I will have this 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So again this row is to be multiplied by second column. So I will have 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Again the same row elements, they are to be multiplied by the third column, that is 2 is to be multiplied by 1 plus this 1 lying on R1 to be multiplied by 1. So these are elements on the row first. Now this R2 elements, they are to be multiplied by column C1, then column C2, then column C3. So 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. Then same row elements to be multiplied by column C2. So this will give 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Then this row is to be multiplied by column C3. So 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. And for row R3, elements are to be multiplied by column C1, column C2 and column C3. So here minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Then this row R3 multiplied by C2 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 2. And lastly this row R3 elements to be multiplied by column C3. So minus 1 here multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1. So this matrix will equal to 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1, here 0 plus 2, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 2, and here 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So this will equal to 2 minus 1, 1 here, 3 minus 2, 1 here, 1 minus 1, minus 2 here, 2 plus 0, 2 here, 4 plus 0, 4 here, and 2 here, 3 here, 5 here, and 0 here. So this is a matrix which is obtained by multiplying the given two matrices. When we say we multiply the matrix by using elements of a row into column. So you have to remember this rule. Elements of a row are to be multiplied by elements of column. So next question. There are 4 to 5 questions given in this exercise, this type of questions. So next one, question. So in this way we multiply the matrices. So another question, if question 7 is, now another part of third question I can take, it is 1, 2, 3. This is one of the matrix. Now another matrix is 2, 3, 4. So this is a typical question. Before I solve the 7th question, let me take this question. So let us see first whether their multiplication is possible or not. Now this matrix is of order. We have to check its order. It's 3 rows and 1 column. And this matrix having 1 row, 3 column. So here, if we see number of columns in this matrix, one column, only one column, that is C1. And in this case, the row, only one row or one. So this condition says number of columns in first matrix must equal number of rows in second column. So therefore, number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix. So that means possible, multiplication is possible, so we can multiply. So for multiplication, what we do, a row into column. So this first row element is 1, so 1 into 2, then 1 into 3, then 1 into 4. In first row, these are the elements. In second row, 2 into 2, then 2 into 3, then 2 into 4, and lastly third row, only one element, 3 into 2, then 3 into 3, then 3 into 4. So this will equal to 1 into 2. I will get 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 4 here, 6 here, 8 here, and lastly 6, 9, 12. So this is how their multiplication is to be carried. Now let me take question number 7 of this exercise. Seventh one of the same exercise, find x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. If x plus y, its value is 7 0 2 5, and x minus y, its value is given 3 0 0 3. So we have to find the value of x and y. So x plus y, it is 7025, and x minus y 3003. So value of x and y, this is part first. So x plus y, its matrix given, and x minus y, its value is also given. Now I have to find the value of x and y. For this, if I add these two equations, say if this is equation first, this is equation second, so matrix equations are, so adding first and second. So when I will add, so I will have x plus y plus x minus y. This will equal to, if left hand side is added, then right hand side elements, they are to be added. So this is plus y minus y, they will cancel. So x and x, 2x is equal to, now 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. Here there is sign of plus, so I will have to add these two matrices. For addition, we add the corresponding elements. So 7 plus 3, they are corresponding elements. Then 0 plus 0 here, then its corresponding element is 0, 2 plus 0, and its corresponding element 5 plus 3. So this will equal to 10, 0, 2, 8. So this is the value of 2x. So if I have to find the value of x, this will equal to 10, 0, 2, 8. So this is the case of scalar multiplication. So when I multiply 1 by 2 by all the elements of this matrix, I will get 5 here, 0 here, 1 here, 4 here. So this is the value of x. Now I have to find the value of y. For value of y, I subtract first and second. So if I subtract, I will have x plus y minus x minus y, and this will equal to elements of x plus y, they are 7, 0, 2, 5, minus x minus y, elements are 3, 0, 0, 3. So here y is positive and y is positive. So I will have 2y. X is positive here and negative here, they will cancel. So 2y will equal to, now I will subtract these two matrices, 7 minus 3 and 0 minus 0. 2 minus 0 and 5 minus 3. So this will equal to 4, 0, 2, 2 here. So this is value of 2y, and value of y will equal to half of this value, and this will equal to the matrix 2, 0, 1, 1. So this is the value of y. So value of x is this, and value of y is equal to 2, 0, 1, 1. So in this way, the value of x and y can be found out. So if you want to note, you can note. So next question, there are 4 parts in this question. So another question I have, it is 9, 1. X and y you have to find. Value of x and y if it is given 2 times 1, 3, 0, x, one matrix, another matrix y, 0, 1, 2, and this is equal to matrix whose elements are the value of x and y is to be found out. So here 2 is a scalar, so I can multiply elements of this matrix, it is which is of 2 by 2 order. So this will equal to 2, 6, 0, 2x. Then this matrix will remain as it is, and this will also same as it is. Now this matrix and this matrix, they can be added. There is addition sign. So if I add these two matrices, I will have 2 plus y corresponding elements. They are to be added. So its corresponding element is this, and here 6 and 0, they will be added. 0 plus 1, 2x plus 2. This will equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. So I can write 2 plus y, 6, 1, 2x plus 2. This matrix is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. So these are two matrices, and there is sign of equality. That means these two matrices are equal, and when two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements they are equal. So that means this is the element and this is the element, so they will be equal. So 2 plus y equal to 5. This means value of y will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. So y is equal to 3. This is one of the value. Again, this element corresponds to this element. So that means 2x plus 2 equal to 8. That means 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. 2x equal to 6, which means x equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. So that is x equal to 3 and y equal to 3. So in this way the value of x and y can be found out. So for today this is sufficient. So tomorrow we will do the questions beyond question number 9. Till then, bye.